Welcome to GlowFit Guide. Today, we're going to show you the ultimate combination for losing weight and getting strong keto diet paired with weight loss resistance training. We'll cover everything from the perfect meals to boost your fat-burning mode to the best exercises to maintain muscle while shedding those extra pounds. So make sure to watch till the end for some pro tips that will help you tailor this plan to your lifestyle. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. When you're on the keto diet, the goal is to eat high-fat, low-carb meals that keep you in ketosis, the state where your body burns fat for energy instead of carbs. Here are 3 easy and delicious breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Option 1. Scrambled eggs cooked in butter, served with creamy avocado and crispy bacon. This meal is packed with healthy fats that will fuel your morning and keep you full. Option 2. Try a refreshing keto-friendly smoothie made with spinach, coconut milk, and chia seeds. It's light, yet rich in nutrients, and can easily be made ahead of time for those busy mornings. Option 3. Cream cheese stuffed bell peppers topped with smoked salmon. This one's a bit fancier, but a great source of omega-3s, and it'll make you feel like you're indulging. Next up, lunch. After a productive morning, your body needs fuel to keep going and prepare for your resistance training session. But don't worry, you can still keep it keto and satisfying. Here are some ideas. Option 1. A classic grilled chicken salad topped with olive oil dressing, avocado slices, and shredded cheese. The fats from the dressing and avocado, combined with protein from the chicken, will give you sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar. Option 2. Tuna salad wrapped in lettuce leaves. It's a light, low-carb meal that's perfect if you're looking for something quick and refreshing. Add in some chopped celery and mayonnaise for texture and creaminess. Option 3. A turkey burger wrapped in lettuce with roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and asparagus on the side. It's a great way to pack in protein and keep things flavorful without loading up on carbs. Now let's talk about your workout. When it comes to losing weight on the keto diet, resistance training is key to maintaining muscle while burning fat. Why? Because it helps preserve lean muscle mass while you're in a calorie deficit, and the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. Here's the resistance training plan you'll want to follow 3 to 4 times a week. Squats, a classic full-body move that targets your legs and core. Keep your back straight and focus on your form. This exercise is a powerhouse for fat burning. Deadlifts, another compound movement that engages your entire body, from your hamstrings to your back and core. Deadlifts are perfect for building strength while torching calories. Push-ups, great for building upper body strength and working your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start on your knees if you're a beginner and work your way up to full push-ups. These compound exercises are the foundation, but don't forget to add some variety to your workouts, such as lunges, shoulder presses, and rows. Once your resistance training session is done, it's time to add in some light cardio to help burn even more fat. After all, cardio helps increase your heart rate, improving your fat-burning capacity without compromising muscle mass. Aim for 20-30 minutes of light cardio after your strength training. This could be a brisk walk, a gentle jog, cycling, or even some low-impact exercises like swimming or rowing. The key here is to keep your heart rate up without going too intense. After your workout, you've earned yourself a nutritious and filling dinner. On keto, your dinner should be hearty and keep you in fat-burning mode. Here are some tasty options. Option 1. Baked salmon with zucchini noodles and a side of sautéed spinach. Salmon is packed with omega-3s, which support fat loss and heart health. Option 2. A juicy steak served with buttered broccoli and creamy cauliflower mat. This meal is not only delicious, but gives you plenty of healthy fats and fiber to keep your digestion on track. Option 3. Grilled shrimp with avocado and cucumber salad. This dish is light, refreshing, and full of healthy fats that will keep you satisfied. Don't forget about snacks. It's easy to stay on track with keto-friendly options like hard-boiled eggs, which are a great source of protein and fat. Cheese sticks for when you need something quick and satisfying. A handful of almonds or walnuts, which offer healthy fats and are easy to carry around when you're on the go. And there you have it, a full day of keto eating paired with resistance training to help you lose weight, burn fat, and build muscle. The secret to success is consistency, so make sure to stay on track and follow this plan regularly. And if you're still watching, you're already one step ahead of the game. We've got a bonus tip just for you. Make sure to track your progress, whether it's through taking photos, measuring inches, or keeping a journal of how you feel each day. This will help keep you motivated and give you something to look back on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your health and fitness journey. And remember, hit that notification bell so you never miss our next video. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you next time.